Detox retreats offer a wide range of detox therapies to revitalize and rebalance mind, body, and spirit, often incorporating mindfulness activities such as yoga, meditation, and other spiritual practices. No matter what type of detox retreat you choose, the environment surrounding you has a major impact on the outcome. Detox retreats in Sri Lanka amid lush greenery, pristine beaches, rolling hills, World Heritage Sites, and Buddhist stupas can be the perfect backdrop for a complete physical and spiritual reset. You can find a wide variety of detox retreats in Sri Lanka, offering a unique experience. What is a detox retreat? Detox therapies help you restore balance to your body and mind by reducing the harmful effects of toxic chemicals in your diet and that of the urban environment. There are detox retreats that mainly rely on a detox diet to promote the elimination of toxins, such as synthetic chemicals, heavy metals, pollutants, and other harmful compounds through a juice or water fasting, elimination diet, or a combination of both. Digital detox retreats aim to put you in a state of rest and rejuvenation by making you turn off all your digital devices, taking a break from emails and the hustle and bustle of social media that generate constant noise. A digital detox encourages you to reduce externally focused activities and develop more time for self-reflection, decluttering your mind. It could be argued that an Ayurvedic detox retreat can be the most holistic of all the detox approaches as it incorporates all the previous methods: yoga, meditation, clean diet, herbal medicines, massage, and various body purification methods, enemas, medical purging, and bloodletting, to cleanse the whole body, including subtle channels too. The best detox retreats in Sri Lanka? If you travel to Sri Lanka to find a detox retreat where you can unwind and immerse yourself in a comprehensive detox ritual far from the commotion of an urban environment, there are a few that stand out, such as the Santani Wellness Resort, Barberyn Beach Ayurveda, or the Sen Wellness Sanctuary. Here are our top resorts. The final choice is up to you, but rest assured that you will be in very good hands in any of them. The Sen Wellness Sanctuary. Here, you can pamper yourself with a luxury Ayurveda retreat, combining ancient Ayurveda practices with yoga, meditation, sound healing, free canoeing, and group healing sessions. It's not only their world-class therapists and teachers, including a monk, that make their Ayurveda detox retreats stand out, but also their special approach that has tailored the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda to the Western lifestyle and constitution, integrating it with other holistic treatment modalities. The sanctuary offers different packages tailored entirely to your needs, which can include one-on-one treatment with the founder of the retreat center, Sam Konkanamj, who is a world-renowned osteopath and acupuncturist. You can also opt for group ceremonies and rituals to experience the co-creation of the healing space. No matter which package you choose, you can rest assured that you will leave with a renewed sense of awareness, health, and well-being that you can integrate into your daily life, wherever you are. Get in touch with Davia, their retreat specialist, to see what is available. The Santani Wellness Resort. Lasting wellness is achieved by bringing oneself into balance, with nature as well as through the nurture we give ourselves and receive from others. Meaning and harmony with, Santani offers a uniquely restorative sanctuary where this belief guides everything they do. Wellness programs in Ayurveda, detox and cleansing, yoga and relaxation combine on-site pampering and rejuvenation with enlightened learning for healthy living long after you leave invigorating surroundings of this luxury wellness resort. Designed to free the mind while treading as lightly as possible on the earth, its private sanctuaries blur the distinction between indoors and out, to encourage you to rest, relax and meditate while inhaling the purest, freshest air and living within in this pristine, truly inspiring scenery that surrounds us. Choice and freedom are essential to sustainable wellness. Whether you like juicing, vegetarian, vegan and raw foods, or you prefer heartier wholesome fare, Santani is about taking pleasure in the locally sourced, organic food you eat there. Its healthy, nutritious and naturally delicious personalized dishes are thoughtfully prepared by Santani's experienced, internationally trained chefs, harmonizing health science innovations from around the world with the most effective treatments of Sri Lankan Ayurveda. Santani offers a thoughtful, sustainable approach to wellness. They pamper your body to revitalize you and educate your mind so that you leave this wellness retreat with healthy habits and practices which allow you to enjoy greater mental, spiritual and physical well-being for years to come. The Barberyn Beach Ayurveda Resort. In a breathtaking location overlooking the Indian Ocean, take your first steps discovering the quiet elegance of Barberyn Beach, and the Ayurveda way of life. Contemporary architecture blends beautifully with indigenous design to create a feeling of space and light, letting in nature, so guests can better enjoy the healing that comes from within. Clusters of rooms stand on stilts, in the lush valley, sloping down to the sea. All rooms have balconies and are connected by corridors. All resort buildings, restaurants and guest rooms are built against the hillside, facing the Indian Ocean, with panoramic views of the garden and the sea. At the highest point on the land, where Barberyn Beach Ayurveda Resort is located, an open-entrance pavilion looks over the grounds, towards the sea. The pavilion is a place for our guests to gather and listen to music, particularly as the evening gives way to the night, and stars light the huge skies. Barberyn Beach provides all the facilities needed to make your Ayurveda holiday comfortable and enjoyable. It is a beautiful and elegant resort, built in a way that guests can enjoy the feeling of space and light, the sounds of nature and the huge night skies. There are no television sets or radios in any of the rooms. You can hear the sounds of soft chanting from scriptures in the morning and evening, as you pass the entrance pavilion. There is soothing music at the health center. If you want, you can watch television, view videos or listen to music in the conference center. For those who seek solitude and rest, the extensive resort grounds with its lush vegetation and variety of birds provide the ideal backdrop. Those who like company find warmth and friendship amongst fellow guests who quickly absorb the caring nature of the staff. The Barberyn Reef Ayurveda Resort. Find yourself and heal your body, mind, and spirit, in the holistic experience of Ayurveda, meditation and yoga, in this unique resort overlooking the ocean. Join like-minded guests at the original home of Sri Lanka Ayurveda in Barberyn. Barberyn Reef welcomes its guests with warmth and a quiet competence that few resorts can match. With more than 50 years of fine hospitality, more than 25 of these fully dedicated to Ayurveda, Barberyn Reef has 75 rooms which are furnished with handcrafted wood, made on site by our own team of carpenters. Rooms have mosquito nets, attached toilets with showers or bathtubs, natural ventilation as well as electric fans and a terrace or balcony. Only a few of the rooms are air-conditioned, as most guests prefer natural ventilation, which is recommended during Ayurveda treatment. Garden rooms and beachfront rooms are clusters of rooms situated in several blocks. Some are on stilts, others are located on 2 levels. Each room is unique with its own character and identity depending on the location and the furnishing. Barberyn Reef Ayurveda Resort is set on a long strip of beach, with a reef running the length of the resort, forming a natural swimming lagoon. A journalist writing for the Nation newspaper in Thailand remarked, "Lulled by the rhythmic pounding of the Indian Ocean nearby, relaxed by the needing of daily oil massages, long-staying guests eventually emulate an aura of well-being, signaled by slower speech and a softer demeanor." No wonder that many of the guests end up pre-scheduling flights and extending their stays. Amuna Ayurveda Retreat. This is the perfect place to rediscover yourself. A place of pure tranquility, designed to blend in seamlessly with nature and surrounded by lush forests overlooking the Kondalama Lake, the resort invites you to experience unparalleled personalized attention by skilled doctors and therapists, guaranteed to serve you with genuine smiles and warm Sri Lankan hospitality. Find a wellness treatment that is perfect for you, where each package has been designed to enrich the body and soul. Amuna marries contemporary accommodations with serene surroundings, providing a blissful stay in the cultural triangle of Sri Lanka. Select from a range of programs, and let it leave you in a deep, transformative, and relaxed state of mind. The ancient Indian well-being practice of Ayurveda brings you back into balance through a combination of meditation, aromatherapy, diet, yoga, and herbal medicine. Embark on a holistic journey with traditional Ayurveda treatments, here at Amuna Ayurveda Retreat, combining phenomenal food with the next-level wellness offering. Your stay at the Amuna Wellness Retreat aims to satisfy your cravings with delightfully fresh and curated cuisine. The menu features fresh and organic whole foods designed to balance your blood sugar while accommodating all your allergies and requirements. The natural organic detoxifying cuisine helps to balance the body's microbiome and helps develop wellness from the inside out with a personalized menu. We hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.